Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sallallahu alaihi Muhammadin wa alayhi wasallam. Basically, this is the first chapter about responsibilities of youth. Okay. Youth means young generation. Responsibilities of young generation. Okay. And basically, Qaida Muhammad Ali Jinnah Rahmatullah alayhi was once asked to give a convocation address in the university. Okay. And he was invited over there. And you can say a short summary of it is that he said that I am doing this as a measure of duty, which is obligatory upon each and every Muslim. Okay, and it is incumbent upon, or it is obligatory upon each and every Muslim. And he said that he was not here in the university as a head of the state, but rather like a friend of them. Okay. He was there to congratulate them, and he also said that I didn't study a lot about the subjects you are going to study in the university. Okay, so I will give a short address about, or I will just give a touch of both subjects, these subjects, in my convocation address. Okay, and there is a revolutionary change. He told the students that you'll have to prepare yourself about the revolutionary change that happened in Pakistan, okay, due to which Pakistan came into existence. Okay, first India and Pakistan, they were together. Okay, and because of this revolutionary change, Pakistan came into existence. Okay, and he said that they have broken the shackles of slavery. They were tied, and they have broken the shackles of slavery. Okay. And he said that right now we have got freedom from, you can say, British government. And he said freedom does not mean a license to, you can say, violate the rights of others, a license to kill others, a license to, you can say do something to do something unfair. Okay, it doesn't mean. It's a great responsibility. Freedom is a great responsibility for us. It doesn't mean that we should work with the will of our own, okay? Whether it's right or wrong, it doesn't mean we'll have to go on a right track. Freedom means to be on right track, okay? To work on right lines, okay? And on page number 3, he says, now as we have attained Pakistan, now it is necessary for us to work as a united and disciplined nation. United and disciplined nation. Okay. So he, emphasized upon unity and discipline. Okay. If we are united, if we are disciplined, definitely we will make progress. And another point that he highlighted, that is to work with a constructive spirit. Okay? Because now we'll have to construct Pakistan. We'll have to make Pakistan. Okay? In the times of our freedom, or in the times when we were fighting for the freedom of Pakistan, okay, we were working with a militant spirit. That was a militant spirit. And he said that it is quite easy for us to go to jail and could, when we work with a militant spirit, it's quite easy to go to jail. Okay. But it's quite difficult to work with a constructive spirit. To construct something is difficult. To go to jail is quite easy. Okay. So right now, when you are in the government, it becomes very difficult to construct a country. Okay. Intentions of the enemy. Then you can say, diverted our attention towards the intentions of the enemy, plans of the enemy. When enemy thwarted, when enemy failed in breaking the Pakistan, or when enemy failed to stop us from making Pakistan, he said they turned their attention towards something else. They started working on weakening Pakistan and destroying Pakistan. Okay. So enemy is working to weaken it and to destroy it. He told us the intentions of that he is working to weaken Pakistan, to destroy Pakistan, to destroy us. Okay. When India and Pakistan got separated, there was a wide-range murder, a mass murder, a holocaust in Punjab and Delhi. Thousands of people were mercilessly butchered. Thousands and millions were turned homeless. Millions of people, they left their homes. They became homeless. Okay. And almost 50 lakh people, like 5 million people, arrived in Punjab within few weeks. These were the facts and figures that Qaeda Muhammad Ali Jinnah told us. And then came the problem when, at once 50 lakh people come to Punjab, come to your country. Definitely it's a big burden for us. Refugees are coming, homeless people are coming, they are ailing, they are wailing. Okay, they have problems, they don't have money, they don't have food, they don't have homes. Okay, what so happens is that the state is to take care of them, rehabilitate them. They have to make their homes. Okay, they have to adjust them. So this was the big problem of taking care of them and rehabilitating them, these refugees. Okay, so this posed a big problem to the state. On to till the middle of the third page. Okay, we have given you I have given you a short introduction and some of the main points that Qaeda Rahmatullah highlighted in his speech, in his convocation, okay, and gave a message to the young people, to the youth of Pakistan, that they have such and such responsibilities, like they have to work like a constructive spirit, work not like a militant spirit. Okay, they have to be united, they have to be disciplined. Okay, these are the messages. And he also highlighted this one, that freedom does not mean a license to work the will of with your own. Okay, it means to work with proper responsibility. Okay. And next we'll study later on. Thank you all very much. Have a nice time. Allah.